This is going over Geometry Quiz 11.4, 11.6, 11.7, 11.8. You do not have to turn this quiz in. This quiz is just for you to check your answers, and then you're going to use this to study for the Chapter 11 test. Let's go get some answers on this. First of all, problem 1. Okay, what do we got here? Well, we've got a couple circles. It says find the probability that a point chosen at random is on the shaded region. So again, how are we going to start these? We always start these. Probability that our point is on the shaded is the area that is shaded divided by the area total. That's how we always start these. Now, for this particular one, what are you going to do to get the area that is shaded? Just the shaded area. How are you going to do it? Yeah, take the area of the big circle and minus the area of the small circle. So here it is. Area of the big circle minus area of the small circle divided by area total. What's area total? Yeah, the biggest shape you have, that's the big circle. Area of the big circle. Now, what do we need for area of a circle? We need the radius. So first of all, for the big one, hey, here it is. It's half of the 7. The radius for the big is 3.5. It's half of the diameter. How about for the small? It's half of 3. Okay, here it is. Radius for the small. What's half of 3? 1.5. Those are the radiuses we're going to use. Let's go ahead and start. Area of the big, pi r squared. Pi 3.5 squared minus area of the small. Pi 1.5 squared. All over area of the big, pi 3.5 squared. Okay, let's get some numbers here. Pi and 3.5 squared. There we go. We'll clear it out. Okay, here we go. We got a pi. We got times 3.5 squared. There it is. Pi r squared. Nice. 3848. Okay. 3848 minus, now the small one, pi 1.5 squared. We got a pi times 1.5 squared. There it is, pi r squared. Nice. 707. Let's say 707. Okay, 7.07 over, we already got that number. That's going to be 3848. Okay, here we go. Let's do some subtraction now. 3848 minus the 707. 3848 minus 707. Okay, there it is, 3141. Okay, 3141 divided by 3848. Okay, let's get our decimal. Okay, here we go. 3141 divided by 3848. Decimal is 0.816. Okay, there we go. 0.816. Oh, I want it as a percentage. Yeah, move it 2 places to the right. 81.6%. There you go. 81.6% probability. Okay, let's do this one. Same idea. Okay, same idea. Let's go ahead here. Okay, we got some of this stuff. Oh, there we go. Good. Okay, on this one here. Okay, same thing. We're going to do it the same way. Okay, here it is. Hey, probability that our point is on the shaded region. Okay, it's going to be area shaded divided by area total. Now, area shaded on this particular problem, what are you going to do just to get the shaded region? Yeah, take the triangle and subtract off the square. So there it is, area of the triangle minus area of the square divided by area total. What's the biggest shape you see? Yeah, it's the triangle. Okay, good. What do we need for the triangle? Well, we need the height. Let's go ahead and do that maybe here in blue. Okay, here we go. I'm going to draw in the height of that triangle. Okay. Now, what does it do to the side? It splits it out, 8 and 8. Also, it's equilateral. So what do we got here? We got 60 degrees, 60 degrees, 60 degrees. The height splits it. Yeah. Here we go. You could do Pythagorean theorem if you want. To get that h, you could set it up. H squared plus 8 squared equals 16 squared. That's a great way. I'm going to use the 30, 60, 90. I take the short leg 8 and multiply it by root 3. Here it is. The height is 8 root 3. Let's do that right here. 8 root 3. Nice. 1386. Okay. 1386. I think I'm ready. Let's go back to red. Okay, here it is. Triangle. Area of the triangle. 1/2 base times height. What's the base of the whole triangle? 16. What's the height of the triangle? We just figured that out. 1386. Okay, good. Minus area of a square. It's just side squared, so we're just going to have 5 squared. Good. On the bottom, area of the triangle, that's 1/2 16 times 1386. Okay, let's do some number crunching. 1/2 base times height. Okay, here we go. 1/2. The base was 16. The height was 1386. There it is. 1/2 base times height. Boom. 11088. 11088 minus 25 divided by 11088. Okay, let's go ahead and do some subtraction there. 11088 minus 25. Yeah, okay, 8588. 8588 divided by 11088. Okay, let's get it as a decimal first. 8588 divided by 11088. There it is. Good. Hey, 0.774. Okay, 0.774 as a percentage now. Move it 2 places to the right. 77.4%. There it is. The idea on these is really, if it was drawn to scale, the shaded region would be a little over 77% of the total region. Okay, let's go to 3. Yeah, here we go. It's a triangular prism. Okay, the base is drawn for us right over here. Here's the base. We're going to use that. The side length of each of the sides of the base is 10. The height of the prism is 12. You see that here and here. This is a triangular prism because we have a triangular base on top, triangular base on the bottom. Okay, first of all, find the area of one base. That's right over here. That's what we want to do. Oh my gosh, it's just a triangle. Here we go. What do we need? We need the height. Okay, here it is. Hey, it splits it in half. 5 and 5. It's an equilateral triangle. So I got 60, 60, 60. Now I've got 30, 60, 90 triangle. Okay. Hey, take my 5. Yeah, if you want to do Pythagorean theorem, fine. H squared plus 5 squared equals 10 squared. That's going to get you. I like to do the short leg times root 3. 5 root 3. Okay. Here we go. 5 root 3. Let's see what that is. We got a 5. We got a root 3. Nice. 866. Okay. 866. Okay, here it is. Area of the triangle. The triangular base. 1/2. What's the base of the triangle? The whole base is 10. The height, 866. Okay, here it is. This is the triangular base. 1/2, 10 times 866. 1/2 times 10 times 866. There you go. Nice. 43.3. Okay. Nice. 43.3. 43.3 what? It's area. It's area. Everything was in centimeters. This area better be in centimeters squared. Okay, volume. Here we go. Volume. Volume of a prism. What's the formula from your formula sheet? Capital B times h of the prism. What's capital B stand for? The area of the base. That's what we just figured out. 43.3. Good. The height of the prism. That's 12. There it is. We just multiply through. Okay. Take that number right there, multiply it by 12. Nice. 519.6. Okay. 519.6. 519.6. Its volume. What should be their units? Yeah, centimeters cubed. Okay. Hey, that's part 1. Stick around. Go and find part 2 to wrap it up here.